Oh, well, let's do a little Monday morning pocket dump. Gotta have the keys to the Ford. Driving anything else, I don't know what to tell you. How about a blaster? This P365XL from Boresight Solutions and SIG fits the bill, and of course she's topped off with some solid copper hollow points from Supervel. Can't go wrong with that. I think every gentleman or gentle lady needs a nice utility blade. This Spyderco fits the bill for me. Yeah, one is none, so if you're gonna do it, do it. Beretta, tricked and slicked by none other than the great Ernest Langdon at Langdon Tactical Technologies. This one topped with the Trijicon SRO. Got to do that. Yep, and two is one. So let's go for another Langdon Tactical Technologies Beretta. This one, the compact, totally delish. Three is two, so if you're gonna run into some trouble, you better have something to deal with the trouble. I say we'll go with this Beretta 12 gauge 1301, slicked and tricked by none other than our friends at Langdon Tactical Technologies. Why not? You know what I mean? Now, let's get a little bit more into pragmatic stuff. I always have to have a change purse with me. A lot of change these days. This one's supplied to me by our friends at 88 Acres. Excellent, excellent change purse. You put anything you want in there. That's what I use it for. And you know, right now we got a lot of junk masks coming from overseas. We decided to make some gaiters made in the USA. These have the Gunfighter gun oil logo. This one smells like my wife's sweetness. She's been wearing it. I like that. But anyway, made in the USA, SPF 50. You got to have that. Now look, some of you guys are animals. If you're not carrying baby wipes everywhere you go, I don't know what to tell you. I've got these in my truck. I've got them in my gym bag. I've got them in my range bag. They're in my damn pocket. Yeah, baby wipes. Don't be an animal. Now, let's go back into the pocket. So what do we got? Gun grease. So I've got all these weapons. I'm gonna need some grease. This is Gunfighter gun grease made in the USA. Always have some of that. If you're gonna have that, you might as well also have some Gunfighter gun oil. Always have that. With all that lube, what's a guy to do? But, you know, maybe, have what you need to get through the day. Have the appropriate size. I don't know about you, but I have what I need. Jokes included. Good old-fashioned pepper spray, Saber Red, spray the bad guy in the head. After a hard day of spraying people in the head and doing whatever it is you do, a nice smoke, always good to have on hand. You gotta see sometimes what you're doing. Saber from PowerTac, the Saber model, great little light. One is none, little brighter. This EDC L1-T from Surefire, top-notch light, made in the USA. Carrying this TXC holster with an EDC belt company. Hey, what's this? Oh yeah, put this in my pocket because I might need it. Like to have it with me from my buddies over at Flagrant Beard. That is a nicely made tool. If I didn't like this table, I would stab this into it for effect. And then, of course, we've got some medical stuff. This always goes with me. Daily carry. Take it for what it's worth, humor included. Just take the stuff you need to get home each night and do size your prophylactics accordingly.